don't speak to a prefect unless you're spoken to. Grow up!
Hi there.
Why don't they let girls play dodgeball?
So stupid. I know I'd be good at...
Thin friggin' line, Hopkins!
To keep my image.
My parents dropped my allowance to $200.
Just think about it for a second.
Whatever, man. I got scene practice.
Do you even realize how much you suck?
Barf knocker? Hi
What's
there.
your problem? Yeah, well, you made my hit list. How you like that? I'm a berserker.
I'm so bored. I wish something would happen.
Hell's the way to here.
The principal has informed me of some drawings in the boys' washroom. Apparently, the sense of detail shows real promise. That's excellent, Jimmy. Mind if I... Well done, Jimmy. You've completed all your assignments. If you'd like to come back to work on your skills, you're very welcome.
I'm getting good at this.
Glad that's done.
You really don't like where the school is heading.
You want to get serious?
Greetings!
You want to kiss me?
I don't get that A.
Hey, honey. I have something to show you. Hello. I think I'm in love.
Complex reasons were a simple thing to do. Check it out, fool.
That was exactly as I expected.
Are you looking to get punished?
It's terrible.
Let a real man show you the ropes.
I hope you enjoy that as much as I did. I'm going to find.
Why are there so many low-class people
around? It's aggravating.
Yeah, howdy!
How can I be expected to survive on so little?
I'm gonna lay your butt out like a newborn baby.
Taking out the trash. Was that an orc or a jock? I think I might be losing my grasp on reality. Sweet!
Now I'm gonna smash your
I wish I had a
face.
unicorn.
Who needs an education when you got abs like mine?
Are you
I can't tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so mad.
Come on, I dare you!
Sure hope Woods gives me a win today.
Shut up and fight, the wrong guy!
call that a hit? You're pathetic.
Come on, man!
Right, you feckless maggots. We'll be playing dodgeball for the next while. Ah, dodgeball! How I love the sound of boys crying in the morning. Much like real life, the strongest will prevail. All right, you lazy bums, look alive! Good! Hopkins, you're with the wimps. I want everyone to give their best, boys. Their best!
Hope you arrange your funeral in advance. It's my time to
Prepare to taste the bitter fruit. Everyone on this team is special. Yeah! Fight to the finish! Let's try not to lose this time, guys! There's only gonna be one of us victorious! Me! You don't have a chance against Team Nerd!
Hopkins, you passed my class. Come back whenever you feel like teaching these wimps a few things.
I'm great! I'm good. What can I say?
I hope everyone's looking at me.
I'm gonna rip out your heart and feed it to you.
I'm gonna wipe
Good for nothing, bum. I'm gaining on you, and it's only a matter of time now.
I don't have time. It's just
You're still moving, but not for long.
I'll save ya!
You'll be prosecuted to the max.
I am going to destroy you now! Oh no!
The law always wins.
Happen.
Why am I so attracted to bad
Never.
boys?
Who has time? Don't know what's worse.
Evil doer.
Crime is minor. Neither is any punishment.
One size bigger.
Bye-bye. I got locked in a closet.
Hey, Miss Phillips.
Hey, Jimmy.
So what really happened to Mr. Galloway? Where did he go?
It's a sad story, but... well, sometimes when grown-ups get upset, they respond in the wrong ways, and, well... small problems get bigger, and that's really the thing about being an adult.
Miss, I'm not 5. My mom's been married 5 times, and I've been expelled from 7 schools.
Yeah. He's a drunk. Stupid man couldn't control himself. Damn him! I love him. But that wretched ogre Hattrick guilt-tripped him into committing himself into the asylum to get dried out. If only someone could get in there and tell him to get out, I'll take care of him.
Why don't you go?
Because that loveless scumbag Hattrick told him not to let me in. Said I was a bad influence.
Don't you worry, miss. I'll get him out.
Okay. Meet me near the asylum tonight.
I'll be there.
And Jimmy?
Yes, Miss Phillips?
It's Ms., not Miss.
Oh, right.
You need my snack?
No, we.
Lame oid. What's the matter? Hey, yo.
Hey there. Ow, jerk!
What is the
Don't
worst?
be mean. I just want to.
Is this yours?
I hold Dr. Crab. What are you looking at?
Chin chick, Tom Pump.
Let's see outside. That's not what I thought would happen. You better hope I don't catch you.
What the hell? I'm gonna break your face.
Stop going and stay away.
I'll get you next time. I'll waste it.
What's this?
Jimmy, I'm glad you made it. Please hurry and try to talk some sense into him. I'll be waiting for him at the asylum gates.
Don't worry, miss.
Thank you so much.
you doing?
I must be a better person. I must be a better person. I must be a better person. Oh, God! I am pathetic!
Hey, Mr. Galloway.
Go away! I don't want to have another group therapy session with those people. If I have to pretend to be someone's mother one more time, I'll... Oh. Hi, Jimmy. What on earth are you doing here?
Ms. Phillips sent me. She's really worried about you. Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, I can't right now, Jimmy. I'm late for my regression therapy as it is. It's fantastic. I've discovered I really do hate myself. Hattrick was right. I am a loser.
No, you're not. Don't be ridiculous. Come on, we can't let bullies like Mr. Hattrick win.
Okay, Jimmy. Jimmy, I really appreciate this. Thank you.
Me too. I am so happy to have my galley bear back.
Galley bear? I said I'd do it. Mine.
You should be ashamed. Nice and cold.
I've been working really hard on those cheerleader routines.
Fatty has arrived.
Oh, hey, Jimmy. Hey, Pete.
Yo, Jimmy! I'm over here! Give me 5, dude!
No.
Yeah, well, cat. Looks like your homies took care of some lames for us.
What are you talking about?
Don't get fresh with your homies.
Can you please talk normally?
This is my normal style of rapping, bro.
All right, enough. What's my quest?
Ah, right. Salutations, Sir James. It seems my clever brethren have taken control of the funhouse at the carnival.
Well done. All that education and now you run a funhouse? Genius.
You simple-minded, noble foot soldier. The football team is going to be there this afternoon. You could really cause them some problems.
Okay, explain it to me on our way over.
There's not much to explain. Just access the control rooms through the maintenance doors. Then do your thing.
Cool.
Moonwalk, ooh, yeah,
Why can't they have fudgesicles every Friday?
I'm sorry, but I have to go study.
You think I want to dirty my hands like that?
Test your skill right here. Real great odds.
I ate 6 meals a day. Now that's good. I have so many years ahead of me. Don't do it!
Down and take it, fat tits! Dodgeball! You're going downtown!
Hey! Please turn the hook finger on, coach! Oh, no!
Come on,
my
Barfbag!
children!
I'm so glad you got here, Jimmy! The jocks have taken over! You gotta get us out of here! Oh, Granny's gonna be so angry!
Only vulnerable nerd.
That nerd thinks he's smarter than me. How?
Football defines my life.
Those sets on my back are getting...
Don't let me.
You're going down, smartass! I can't...
This should do something.
Alright, tonight is bath night, and then I get to watch TV until...
What's this do?
Thanks, Timmy. That's great. Somebody save me! I'll get them for the wedgie and shoving me in that locker there.
Help! Your task is complete, brave knight.
And action.
You can't beat yourself up over it, bucko. You couldn't have known those were dentures.
Jesus, in the hot dog. Amazing. You liking that? Thanks! This is gonna be good.
Your task is complete, brave knight.
I should teach lessons or something.
Excuse me, son.
My camera sounds good.
And I need some gritty pictures.
He told me.
Can you handle the skill? Can you feel the excitement?
Boy, you man enough to try?
I apologize.
LA is lithium, Na is sodium, K is potassium, O is potassium, CS is cesium, Fr is radium.
Take a chance. Play the game.
Here you go.
I appreciate it, young man.
Step right up, Joe.
Trash like you is not wanted. Get out. See you around, kiddo.
That shirt looks nice
Hey,
on you.
it's your lucky day today. Come with me.
Hello.
Normally I don't
Nice
care.
to see you.
But with you, it's different. You look great
When I
in
get
this light.
upset, I just scratch myself until I bleed. I'm not an angry person.
Come on, baby. You know you want to.
If you kiss once
You
a
have
day,
nice
you'll
lips.
live longer. Let's try not to tell anyone.
I lost all my talk money for one stupid darts.
I can use that.
Why would I even bother? He rules at darts.
Oh, yeah.